I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change your Plex video playback speed. Adjusting your Plex video playback speed can be incredibly useful for a variety of reasons. Whether you want to speed through a tutorial or lecture to save time, slow down a scene to catch every detail, or just customize your viewing experience to suit your preferences. So if you're ready to take control of your viewing experience and make Plex work better for you, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the Plex video you want to change the playback speed for. Step 2. Bring up the on-screen menu. If you're using Plex on a computer, you can do that by wiggling your mouse. If you're using Plex on a mobile device, you can tap the screen, and if you're using a Roku or some other streaming box, you can click the D-pad on the remote. Depending on your platform, your screen may look a little different, but the options will be the same. Step 3. Click the Playback Settings icon, which features two horizontal lines with circles on opposite ends. The Playback Settings menu opens. Step 4. Select Playback Speed. You'll see various options for either slowing down or speeding up your Plex video playback speed. Click to select your new video playback speed. When you resume playing your Plex video, it will play with the new playback speed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.